Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to access age-restricted Discord on iOS. Now it's a very easy process. First, let's check if the option is available in the latest version of Discord in the Android or iOS device or not. So all you have to do is click on Discord, open, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now just when you click on privacy and safety, and over here if you scroll down, you will be able to see a age-restricted option. But this is not the option that you're looking for. This is just for the commands and indirect messages, not the entire age-restricted server. So how to actually access or enable the age-restricted Discord? Now, it's a very easy thing. But for doing that, you will be needing a browser. So just simply go to any browser. Let's say for example, Google Chrome. All you have to do is just simply open your Discord. Now, once you open the Discord homepage over here, the first thing that you will do is click on the three dots at the top right, then click on desktop site. Now, refresh the page. And now over here, click on open Discord. And it will open your Discord again. So go back and come to this page again. Click on Discord over here again. Then go to the home page if it's necessary. Over here again, you should have an option of open Discord. Click on that. And now this time the login page should appear right in front of you. And now just simply log into your Discord account. As you can see, my account is already logged in. Now once you're logged in, inside the browser Discord, click on the three dots. Then click on desktop site. And it will turn back normal. Now wait for a few seconds over here. Now when it's all loaded, click on the gear icon at the bottom right. And now over here go to privacy and safety. And now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all access to age restricted server on ISO. Make sure to enable this option over here. Because this is the option that we are looking for. Once you're done, just simply close it and then you're good to go. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.